Okay, you may know that we are now trying to improve our patient education, patient support by giving away selected iPads to some of our patients. Yeah, and the idea is that those are the patients who pay for the premium package get an iPad, and on each iPad is a list of, right now, about 220 videos. And we're working on making some of those videos a little bit better. But we included, for example, a new one, which is, this is actually a video of the Roux-en-Y gastric bypass. And you might wonder, why would you have a video of the Roux-en-Y? Well, if you go to your doctor's office and you say, I have a mini gastric bypass, he says, oh yeah, you have a Roux-en-Y gastric bypass. You go, no, here's the Roux-en-Y. So you can actually show it to him. That's the Roux-en-Y, and then you can go back. So you're done. Did I mention there are 200 videos? Well, here's one. This kind of shows it. It's not exactly the best one. But here's a diagram now. It shows there's the stomach, the esophagus, the stomach, the antrum of the stomach, and the duodenum. And this is what a sleeve does. This is a sleeve gastrectomy. It's one of the new ones. Doesn't work as well as the MGB, about half as good. And you can see that what it does is make a long, narrow stomach pouch a lot like the MGB. Not very successful, and it's not reversible because they throw that out. But again, you can show your doctor and say, this is a sleeve, I don't have that. And this is a gastroplasty. That's a sleeve, the kind that we offer. It's not very good, but it's reversible and would be something we could do for people who are not that heavy. And then the most successful and most durable is the mini gastric bypass, and that's what we're going to see now. And so there's a sleeve-like pouch, and then there's the loop bypass. So you could show your doctor and say, this is what I got, and the Roux-en-Y is different, and you can see where that's different. So the MGB iPad information, we also have some videos that we did last week where we actually have me talking to your doctor in the ER. So you could say, I'm in the ER and I have abdominal pain. Wouldn't it be great if Dr. Rutledge could talk to my ER doctor? And so again, we're trying to set this up. It's not as good as we would like yet, but we'll be able to basically find one, and you could show it to your doctor in the ER, and you have me talking to him. And you'd have like my telephone number, my email address, the number of the staff. So while you're there, you can say, and not only that, I talk about what are the most common complications, what to look out for, and things like that. So the idea there is this is something you can kind of take with you. We also have the availability of putting the similar kind of stuff on an iPod. That way you can actually keep it in your purse all the time. And so it's another attempt by us to make it easier for you to use. So we also had some comments from the Apple Store, and they said if we talk about this, they might stop selling it to us. And so we can't guarantee you can get that. But so far we haven't had any troubles, and I think if we're small enough, I don't think the big Apple Corporation is going to be bothered by us talking about it. So, but it's always possible that they might stop selling it to us. So.